Hello, in front of me I've got Lamzu Thorne. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to app. In the beginning, make sure that your mouse is connected with your PC, and next go to Lamzu software download. Scroll down and select Thorne 4K or 4K compatible. Select download. And now install the app. As you can see, when your mouse is connected with the PC, it will be automatically recognized by the app. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.